Good morning, Paris. And my face look dark. I hope you're seeing me. Yeah, the roof up there, so I pop down. So it go, Jamaica life. That's how it go. I forgot go and pop down because I'll tell you more about it. Hope you're having a blessed after 4th of July. It is Friday the 5th. And I hope you had a wonderful day. I hope you had a beautiful day. Okay? Today is another day we are giving thanks. I'm giving thanks and I hope you are too. And all of that. I hope that when this little video reaches to you, it may be that you're in your bed, cock up and a take in. That one especially where Debbie Debs are going to share. See? I just want to say this morning to you that sometimes you're led by, I don't know, to share some things. You want to share some things because of what is happening in your life, what is going on with you, because you know some people, some other people out there, they are going through the same or probably worse. But I want to say to you this morning, and I'm encouraging you to have this spirit. I want you to get a spirit of discerning. Learn if you can identify evil. Learn to identify evil. Just want to share with you. I'm not talk about no church. I'm not talk about no Christianity. I don't care if you go to church. I don't care if you're a Christian. I'm just speaking to my friends and to my family. Trust me, that's a talk. If you don't go to church, it no matter. Me and a friend and family. If you don't go to church, it doesn't matter. We are people. Yes, it is good to go to church and to fellowship with good people. And also, it is good to be just to be good, whether you're going to church, yes or no. And if it is so, you can just so comment. I'm just saying to you, there are some people around us in our everyday lives. 90% of the time they come in our friends and the word family. You notice them two F there. Friends and family. They come to tear down. They come to destroy. They come to do everything that is not uplifting enough for them one way. Learn for detect them when you see them come. Sometimes they take half plane from foreign come stay with you. For just to mash up your family. For just to things not to go right with you. Evilous force, them carry some evilous force. Them have some evilous thing around them. Once them come in at your house, something have to happen with you and your family. Some little argument have to pop up. Them are evil. You've got to learn to discern them. And when you discern them, you take time and break them off. Break them off. They come with nothing good. They come with some words in their mouth. I don't remember which psalm it is, but you all who are into your Bible so much more than I do. Me in my Bible too, but sometimes I don't remember some of the things then. The words there, I don't remember in which psalm and which verse. The words of their mouth was smoother than butter. Listen to me. The words of their mouth was smoother than butter. But war was in their hearts. Them come, Deb, we are family. We are family, Deb. Deb, me want everything to go good with you. Oh, Jesus. That is so soothing. That is so nice. Okay? That is so soothing. That is so nice. But look here. When you hear from the shout, it is just not like that. Them just come for tear down. Then come for make everything not go right for you. Is what I'm saying? Learn to detect them when them come. Learn. You're in the flesh now, but you must learn to understand how it go in the spirit. You have to see them before them come. Ask the Lord to give you that spirit of discerning, that you can see them before them approach. Because them not going away, you know. Them dead there. Them come back at you at all times. Is what I'm saying? And that is why I say never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. I don't know, this recording thing is saying 5 minutes the maximum, family. You must, sorry about that. You must always try to stay up on top. Stay on top of it. You heard me on my last video, I say, pray for me. Yes, you send up some prayers for me while me send up some, because I'm talking to you now and you're going through some things. Me and all in one situation too, that I'm trying to come out. I'm trying to come out. I'm going to get out. I'm working, but certain things take time, Certain things in Jamaica, when you start out, certain things take forever. You understand? So, it is that you have got to stay on top of things. There are some forces, them come. You have some people, them come around here, and them just do something that is so, and them just take time, walk past like them not do nothing. And then when you speak, somebody would say, lad man, I see me a ear, me not ear for them mouth, as such a tan. But them just, the words of their mouth. Lord, we are family, we are family, a family, Deb. Then not call it Debbie now, When you see they come, they don't say Debbie. Deb, you heard smooth? Deb, we are family. Oh my God. I have experienced it and I'm sharing with you. If you have experienced anything like that, comment. You'll be there for them come. Not attract them, not make them come at your yard. Keep them out. Know some of the times when you keep them out, them not easy, them return, Them return in a different form, because them said that pass and gone and you forgot. So they come back again in a different form. That's why I say you have to have, you have to keep your guard up at all times. Make sure you have that spirit of discerning. Make sure, and it is not about say you have to go to church. You don't have to be going to church. You must keep your guard up because them are coming in a different form. You see, worse if them, you see when them see you down, them no business in the damn pay no mind, because from day one, them aim is for keep you and your kids and your husband or your wife down. That is what they want. So when you are down, they never come around with stupidity. But once they see I try, like if any little thing I go switch or change gear with you for a little better, they come back around in a different form. You see what I'm saying? And them come back and start stupidity over and over again. So you make sure say you're up there with them. You're up there with them. Make sure you pray. Make sure you're praying. Pray for me while I pray for you. Pray for your good friends. 1 and 2 are your good little friend, them both with they far from you. They're going through it too, They're going through it too. Them have it. Some of them can't even manage it because them don't know how to deal with it. But like all old vet like me, I know how to discern. I know how to pray. There are sometimes too, even though you know how to discern, your spirit not your spirit, your body gets weak, you're human, And you say, Lord, how much me can bear today? I just feel weak. I feel like me want bad, like how if your nerves not so strong like for me. But that's how it goes. But make sure, say, you stay connected. Make sure you stay upon the prayer line there. Make sure you not come off and eat. Make sure you pray for your children. And when me say pray for your pitney them, I mean, Lord, I'm asking you to cover my children. Call out the pitney them name. Because I will pitney name Tom and I will pitney name Sarah. Call their name, tag them, put them up with them name tag. After your pitney, call out Jerry and Debbie. Father God, cover Jerry, Debbie, and me, Jeremiah, and my pitney, and my son Jerry. Me and the mother Debbie, cover him. And so you do it. Call out Tom. I am the mother Patsy. Me, I call out coverage for Tom. Because you will say to Tom, be careful of the people. Oh, Mom, I know when I can. Tom no know nothing. Him on their chat. Because they don't have the experience. So this morning, if you find any sense in that video, you can comment. And also, if you're going through something that you feel like it now going to have no ending. I know some days you may be weak just like myself. And I couldn't pray yesterday. I could not pray. Something happened Tuesday night. And I had to talk my mind. I couldn't pray yesterday. I was so overwhelmed. But I tell you this morning, I get up. And when I call out and when I bawl out, I cry out this morning. I cried out. I cried out to God. So if it is that you're going through something, and I say when you cry out, it doesn't mean that you're not after God church, you're not got to be baptized, you're not have to baptize. Pray, cry out, bawl out. Cry out, bawl out to God. Ask him to be your help. Ask him to be your guide. Ask him to give you, make you see them before them come. Because when they come with nothing but confusion. You see, if they see you have 2 plyboard door, you so, and at it, you have them good with you like that, you know. But you see the moment them see you step out and them realize that them plyboard door, they are going to move, and a couple mahogany door go there. Mama, you better look at them. You better look out for them. Coming through with the this and the that and everything to get you distracted and to make you feel wimpy and to make you feel like it's not gonna happen. But it's gonna happen because our God says so. You see what I'm saying? March out upon them, put on your earring, them like you see me put on my earring. Brush up your ear, just up, me not dress up, me just stand so. But put on your clothes, march out upon them and let them know it's gonna happen. Because God says, I'm gonna bless you in front of them. I'm going to bless you in front of your enemies, that them never know, so you could have right in front of them. Those that fight against you, I'm going to bless you, and they're going to sit there and watch God bless you, and them can't do nothing about it. They can't do anything about it. Stay strong, be good, be blessed. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. You are just human. I am just human. We are in the human form. But me say, ask him for that spirit of discerning. Ask him, say, Lord, I'm asking you to give me the spirit that me can see the evil them when them are come, that I can know how to prepare for them. Stay on top of things.